Section 7.5 continues with solving equations that have polynomial expressions in them. So we're going to take what we had learned before about distributing the monomial and simplifying by combining like terms into doing a problem where we're going to have to do that on both sides to simplify and solve an equation. So it looks pretty complicated, but the work itself is not that difficult. So we're going to start out here by working from left to right and distributing everything we can. So this y will get distributed and give us y squared minus 12y. And now we'll distribute this y to give us plus y squared plus 2y. And then we're going to bring the plus 25 down with it. And now this side of the equal sign, we have to distribute the 2y. And we get 2y squared plus 10y. And then we bring that minus 15 down. So it looks pretty messy. We're going to go through it carefully, and we're going to combine our like terms on each side if there are any. So over on the left, I see y squared and y squared. So I can put them together, and I have 2y squared. And then I have this 12y and 2y, but the 12y is a negative 12y. So when I put them together, I get negative 10y, and then I'm bringing down my 25. Over on the right, I don't have anything to simplify or combine, so I'm just going to rewrite it all. Now I have to solve this equation. That means I have to get everything with y on one side and all the numbers on the other side. So I can see right now that I have 2y on this side and 2y on that side. So when I subtract 2y from this side and I subtract 2y from that side, 2y squared, they're going to end up canceling out. So we don't have to worry about solving an equation with a y squared in it. So now we're going to move forward, and on this side I have negative 10y plus 25, and then on the right side I have 10y minus 15. So now I can add 10y to both sides to get rid of that negative 10y over here. I bring 25 down, and it's equal to 20y minus 15. Looks like I'm running out of room. So I have to add 15 to both sides. That gives me 40 equals 20y. And dividing by 20 tells me that y equals 2. So all that work for the answer of y equals 2. Hope you got a lot of notebook space. Now, I'm going to give you a problem to try out. Let's see how this goes. Make sure you save yourself a lot of space on your paper for it. Distribute everything carefully, combine like terms, and then solve your equation. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to distribute. You get 2x squared plus 8x. Bring down the plus 7. Over here, I just have x plus 8. There's nothing in front to distribute, so I can get rid of those parentheses. Then I distribute the 2x, getting 2x squared plus 2x plus 12. So now, this left side has nothing to combine. So I'm rewriting. But over on this side, I have like terms. I have x and I have 2x. So I have now plus 3x, and then I have 8 and 12, so I have plus 20. So now both sides I can see I have 2x squared. So again, when I subtract them, they cancel out. So now what I'm left with to solve is 8x plus 7 equals 3x plus 20. And this is something you solved in algebra, pre-algebra, or you solved back in Unit 3. So I'm going to subtract 3x. That gives me 5x plus 7 equals 20. I'm going to subtract 7. So 5x equals 13. Divide by 5. X equals a very pretty answer of 13 over 5. So how'd you do?